What is ceramic tint? Ceramic tint is a high-performing window film with tiny pieces of ceramic infused into it to give the most heat rejection, all while maintaining a crystal clear visibility. So what does that mean? Traditionally with window tint, you had to choose a darker shade to get the highest heat rejection. But with ceramic tint, you can choose any shade, including very light to clear, and still have that same kind of heat rejection, all while having color stability, meaning it's not going to fade or change colors. Because of the ceramic technology put into this film, it has the ability to absorb and stop the heat from passing through it, so it stops right at your window. This means your driving experience is going to be much more comfortable, and depending on what shade you go with, you can also cut down on a ton of glare, which will prevent eye strain because you won't have to be squinting as much. It's like having sunglasses on your car. Now let's talk about aesthetics. You can choose to customize the look of your car by going with a darker shade, or you can choose to have it look like nothing has been touched with a light shade and still have the same kind of UV and heat rejection. Now, it is important for you to know the legal restrictions of your state because they do regulate how dark you can go. This is Dane with Ceramic Pro, and if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.